What do you do when you need more confidence in business English, but you feel stuck? We all feel stuck sometimes, and that is totally normal. So today I have 4 ways to help you get unstuck and move forward. Hi, I'm your English coach, Christina, and welcome to Speak English with Christina. Step-by-step English lessons to help you learn faster, feel more confident, and reach your full potential. And today, like every week, I'll help you move one step closer to reaching your goals in English. Actually, before we get into today's topic, I want to try something different to help you to better learn vocabulary with my videos. At the start of each video, I'll teach you a few chunks or expressions, and we'll put them on the screen for you so that you can take a notebook and a pen and write the expression and the definition. And then you'll hear those expressions somewhere in the video. And when you hear it, you can write the sentence that I say so that you also have that expression in context. And to help you catch that expression, look out for this notification. All right, let's try it. The first expression is to be stuck in a rut. To be stuck in a rut. And it means to be stuck or trapped in the same negative routine. And despite your actions, you can't get into a positive routine. It's a little like a car in the mud. The wheels are spinning, but the car stays stuck. And the second expression is to get back on track. To get back on track. And this is to return to the correct path or the correct way of doing things. All right, so let's go into today's lesson. So first, let me reassure you that we all feel stuck sometimes, and myself included, when things aren't improving or it's difficult to know what to do next, or it feels like there's just too much to do and you don't know where to start. It creates this negative energy and it's like you're stuck in a rut. A lot of times when I talk to new coaching clients, they say that they contacted me because they felt stuck with their English. They're not sure about the next steps in, how to improve or maybe even in their career, their business, and they just feel bad for not doing anything for a long time to try to improve their situation or their business English. And they want to stop those negative feelings and do something to change. And when we start working together, there are always 4 things that I recommend to get back on track. And I'm going to share them with you today. The first one is just admit that you are stuck in a rut. Pretending that everything is okay, that is what keeps you stuck. And not only do you continue to feel stuck, you feel like you have to hide it and pretend that everything is okay. Remember, we all feel this way sometimes, so there is no shame in it. And when you admit that you're stuck, you can start finding a solution to get back on track. The second thing is talk to others about it. For coaching clients, they'll talk to me about how they're feeling, but you can talk to anyone, friends or coworkers that you trust, maybe other members of the community, down in the comments below the video, or if you're in my Faster Fluency Conversation Club, talk to your conversation partners because I'm sure that they can relate to that. And just don't be afraid to ask them for advice, to explain your situation, to find that inspiration and support. But don't stay stuck in your rut alone because together we're stronger. The third thing that you can do, don't depend on motivation. Have a routine. Motivation, it comes and it goes, and it depends on your emotions, your schedule, the weather. You can't depend on motivation. You need a plan. So one thing that I always tell clients to do is to look at their calendar, to plan the time to work on their English, even if it's just 5 minutes a day. The key is consistency, taking action, and creating that positive momentum. And number 4 is take action, even if it's very small. You might feel stuck in a rut because you just don't know what to do and you feel like your goal is too big and overwhelming. For example, if your goal is to become more fluent in English, that's a really big goal. Like, where do you even start? So start with something very small that you can do today, like learning 2 new chunks in English. And if you want to do something bigger, I can make it easy for you. Each week, I'll send you a podcast episode in English, the transcript, and vocabulary cards to help you understand better and get real-world vocabulary. Plus, I'll also send you grammar and pronunciation exercises, and every week you'll have up to 5 hours of live conversation practice to have more confidence and more fluency. And to get all of this and to support the work of Speak English with Christina, become a member of my Faster Fluency Conversation Club. And the link to join that is down below the video. And now you are one step closer to feeling more confident speaking business English. And if you want to take more steps with me, I've created a playlist for you about how to improve your English faster. It has episodes to help you stop translating in your head, learn advanced vocabulary, and have more confidence when you speak. So go ahead, click here to continue learning with me, and I'll see you in the next episode.